Hey, so if Brave dark mode looks broken, colors appear weird, or some websites flash between light and dark themes, yeah, that can get annoying pretty quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser dark mode glitches step by step. All right, first, open Brave settings and go to the appearance section. Switch dark mode off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Yeah, this can refresh broken theme settings. If you enabled experimental dark mode flags before, disable them. Forced themes can break website colors. Now check for updates. Older versions of Brave sometimes have theme rendering bugs. Extensions like custom themes or dark mode tools can conflict with Brave's built-in settings, so disable them temporarily. Now go into System Settings and disable hardware acceleration. Graphical glitches often come from GPU rendering issues. Corrupted cached files can also break website themes, so clear your cache and reload the page. Open the same website in a private window. If dark mode works there, the issue is likely caused by extensions or saved settings. If nothing works, reset Brave settings to default to remove hidden theme conflicts. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, Brave dark mode should work smoothly again without flashing or color issues.